Hey Sam, it's Dave Houston with Kangar Honda downtown. Hey, I want to say a quick video of this 2001 Toyota Tacoma Extra Cab. It's actually in very, very, very good condition. It is a non-smoker. It's got a Lear topper. Tires are in fantastic condition. It has Dynapro ATs. They're by hand cooked. This body is absolutely immaculate for the year and the mileage of this vehicle. Topper is by Lear. This has the V6 in it. The interior is in fantastic condition. I mean, for what it is, it's dirty, but it'll clean up nice. No major rips or tears in the seats that I can see. Headliner's clean. Air conditioner works good. AM/FM cassette player. Four-wheel drive works good. Everything actually is in pretty good shape. It's got 184,000 miles is it. So for a 20-year-old truck, that's pretty phenomenal. So anyways, this is the video of the 2001 Toyota Tacoma. My name is David Houston, Kangar Honda. You can reach me at 801-865-6598. Again, that's 801-865-6598. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. We look forward to talking to you soon.